Hey folks, did you know that one tree can absorb 48 pounds of CO2 and it can cool down your area by 10 degrees? Crazy, right? We need all that here in Florida. Not only will it do that, but it will also help support our ecosystems for our birds, squirrels, and other wildlife animals, and making sure they have homes and just keep us going. So right now here at Step One Subaru, we have our Subaru Loves the Earth event going on. For the whole month of April, you can come by and pick up your tree to plant. We have several to choose from. We have the Bald Cypress you see here next to me, as well as the Tulip Poplar. We have the Crape Myrtle, as well as a Sweetbay Magnolia. Pick what tree works best for you and help plant a tree to give a lasting legacy for years to come. Here at Step One Subaru, we're here for you to help save the earth.